guys, today I'm gonna make some lentils in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. Apparently I had a heart attack sometime during the year and didn't even know it. So I'm trying to work in a few more plant-based foods, and lentils are supposed to be a really good source of protein. So kind of have these instead of the meat and dairy today. So this is a 1 pound bag of lentils. You're probably supposed to rinse them, but they look clean to me. So it says add 6 to 8 cups of water. So I put 6 cups of water in there. Get those lentils in there, and I have some shredded carrots. So I'm just going to throw a handful of those shredded carrots in there as well. Kind of mix that up a little bit, and I think I'll wait and season these at the end. I'm just going to use some salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper. So we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook these on high until they're tender. It's been 3 hours, so let's check on these. I think those are pretty tender. Now I'm going to season them. I'm just going to use some kosher salt. I'm just going to do a little at a time and taste it. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. So if you don't have that, probably just some pepper and maybe a little garlic powder and onion powder would be good. Just add a little bit at a time and then taste it till you get it the way you want. These are steaming away over here. Made a piece of flaxseed toast and put some avocado on it to go with it. Let's try these out. Those are good. If you've never had lentils, they're not as sweet as peas, and the flavor is a little bit different than beans. I'm not sure quite how to explain it. I Googled it to see what they said about lentils, and they said they have an earthy flavor, whatever that means. I don't know, but I like them. I wonder if Annie will eat these. I have no clue. I put a little bit in the bowl and see what she does with it. She's a chow hound. She likes them. Those are actually pretty filling. I've been watching these documentaries on Netflix like Forks Over Knives and Game Changers. They're about plant-based diets. Pretty interesting, actually. I figure, you know, after having that heart attack, it kind of got me thinking I'm not going to make very good videos if I'm dead. So kind of getting into that a little bit. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.